These are the 20 best mini drone of 2024, and we're gonna rank each of them from god tier to trash tier. Links to all of these mini drones mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 1. DJI Mini SE. This little powerhouse is a fantastic entry-level drone that packs a punch. It's incredibly lightweight at under 250 grams, making it exempt from many regulations. The camera delivers solid 2.7K video and 12 megapixel stills, perfect for casual users and beginners. I love how easy it is to fly, with intelligent flight modes that make capturing cinematic shots a breeze. The 30-minute flight time is impressive for its size too. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, the price point makes it an absolute steal. I'm putting this in god tier because it offers incredible value and is a perfect starting point for anyone getting into drones. Number 2. Exo Mini Pro. This drone is punching above its weight class, offering features usually found in more expensive models. I'm talking 4K video, a 3-axis gimbal, and even obstacle avoidance, all in a sub 250 gram package. The 30-minute flight time is on par with industry leaders, which is impressive. While the image quality might not quite match up to the big names, it's more than capable for most users. The price point is where this drone really shines, offering incredible value for money. For beginners or those on a budget who still want advanced features, this is a fantastic option. I'm putting this in good tier. It's not quite perfect, but it's an amazing deal. Number 3. HoverAir X1 Pro. This unique little drone takes a different approach, focusing on autonomous tracking shots. It's incredibly easy to use, taking off and landing from your palm. The 4K camera on a 2-axis gimbal delivers smooth footage, perfect for action sports or vlogging. I love how compact and lightweight it is, making it super portable. However, it's quite limited in terms of manual flight controls, which might frustrate more experienced pilots. The 16-minute flight time is also on the shorter side. For those who want hassle-free aerial selfies and tracking shots, this is a great choice, but due to its limitations, I'm placing it in good tier. It's specialized but not for everyone. Number 4. Ryze Tello. This little guy is a blast to fly. It's super stable and responsive, making it perfect for beginners. The video quality isn't mind-blowing at 720p, but it's decent enough for some fun aerial shots. I love the cool flight modes like throw and go and AD flips. They're a hoot to play with. Battery life is a bit meh at around 13 minutes, but that's pretty standard for mini drones. Overall, I'm putting this in the good tier. It's not quite top tier, but it's a solid choice for newbies or anyone wanting a fun, easy-to-fly drone. Number 5. Holy Stone Aegis 900. This drone really impressed me. The Aegis 900 packs a punch with its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, delivering some seriously smooth footage. I love that it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration hassle. The flight performance is solid and it's got some cool features like subject tracking. However, the lack of obstacle avoidance is a bummer, and the white balance could use some work. Overall, I think this is a great option for beginners and intermediate pilots looking for a capable mini drone. I'm putting this in the good tier. It's not quite perfect, but it's definitely a strong contender in the sub 250 grams category. Number 6. Potensic Atom SE. This little drone surprised me. It's got some impressive features for its price point, like 4K video and a decent flight time. The folding design is super convenient for travel, however the camera controls are pretty limited, which is a bummer for more advanced users. There's also no collision avoidance, so you'll need to be careful when flying. It's a great option for beginners who want something a step up from the basic toy drones. After weighing the pros and cons, I'm putting this in the average tier. It's got potential, but a few limitations hold it back. Number 7. Holy Stone Aegis 440D. And now we're talking. This drone packs a punch for its size. The 4K camera is a nice upgrade from some of the cheaper models, and the flight time is pretty impressive at around 20 minutes. I love that it's foldable and lightweight, making it easy to take on adventures. The adjustable camera angle is a cool feature for getting different shots. It's not perfect, the charging time is a bit long, and the live view quality could be better. But overall, I'm impressed. I'm placing this solidly in the good tier. It's a great option for beginners and intermediate users looking for a step up in quality. Number 8. Potensic Atom. This little guy packs a punch for its size and price. I'm really impressed with the 4K video and manual camera controls. It's not often you see that in a budget drone. The 3-axis gimbal is a game changer for smooth footage too. But let's be real, it's not perfect. The fixed focus lens can be a bit limiting, and there's no collision avoidance, so you gotta watch where you're flying. Still, for beginners or those on a tight budget, this is a solid choice. I'm putting this in the great tier. It's punching above its weight class. Number 9. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This thing is a powerhouse in a tiny package. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is a huge upgrade, making it way safer to fly. And the video capability is insane. We're talking 4K at 100 FPS. The subject tracking is top-notch too. Sure, it's pricier than some other mini drones, but for what you're getting, it's worth every penny. This is definitely going in the God tier. It's pretty much the best sub 250 grams drone you can get right now. Number 10. DJI Mini 3 Pro. This was the king of mini drones before its successor came along, and it's still amazing. The image quality is fantastic and it's so easy to fly. I love the true vertical shooting feature. It's perfect for social media content. The obstacle avoidance isn't as advanced as the Mini 4 Pro, but it's still really good. It's a bit cheaper now that the 4 Pro is out, which makes it even more attractive. I'm keeping this in the God tier. It might be slightly outclassed by its newer sibling, but it's still one of the best mini drones out there. Number 11. DJI Mini 3. This is like the little brother of the Mini 3 Pro, and it's got a lot going for it. You're getting most of the same great features, just without some of the pro bells and whistles. The image quality is still excellent and it's super portable. No obstacle avoidance is a bummer, but that helps keep the price down. It's a great option if you want DJI quality without breaking the bank. I'm putting this in the great tier. It's not quite God tier material, but it's still an awesome drone for most people. Number 12. DJI Mini 2 SE. This little drone is a solid entry-level option for beginners. It's got a decent 2.7K camera that'll get you some nice shots. But don't expect mind-blowing quality. The 31-minute flight time is pretty sweet, giving you plenty of time to explore. I love how easy it is to fly, perfect for newbies who don't want to crash on day one. However, it does lack some of the fancier features of its big brothers. For the price though, it's a good starting point. I'm putting this one in the good tier. It's not gonna blow your socks off, but it'll get the job done for most casual users. Number 13. DJI Mini 2. This drone is a step up from the SE, and it shows. The 4K camera is a game changer, giving you crisp, detailed footage that'll make your videos pop. It's still super lightweight at under 250 grams, so you don't have to deal with a ton of regulations in most places. The OcuSync 2.0 transmission is rock solid, giving you a reliable connection even at longer distances. It handles wind like a champ too, which is impressive for such a tiny drone. The only downside, it's a bit pricier than the SE, but for the quality you're getting, I think it's worth it. I'm putting this bad boy in the great tier. It's a fantastic all-rounder that'll satisfy most drone enthusiasts. Number 14. DJI Mini 4K. This new kid on the block is making waves, and for good reason. It's basically DJI's answer to the budget 4K drone market, and they've nailed it. You're getting 4K video at 30 FPS, which is awesome for the price point. The flight time is solid at around 31 minutes, though realistically, you're looking at about 24 minutes before you need to land. What I really dig is that it's kept the sub 250 grams weight, making it super portable and regulation friendly. It's not as feature-packed as the Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro, but for beginners or those on a budget, it's a killer option. The lack of obstacle avoidance is a bummer, so you'll need to be extra careful when flying. All things considered, I'm slotting this into the great tier. It's an excellent entry point into the world of 4K drones without breaking the bank. Number 15. HoverAir X1. Alright, this one's a bit different. It's super lightweight at just 125 grams and designed for selfies and quick shots. The pre-programmed flight modes are cool for beginners, but I miss having manual control. The 2.7K video is decent but not mind-blowing. What's neat is how it can take off and land from your hand. Pretty nifty for quick shots. However, the lack of obstacle avoidance makes me nervous in tight spaces. I'm placing this in the average tier. It's fun for casual users, but serious drone enthusiasts might want more. Number 16. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. This little powerhouse comes with a 1 to 1.28 inch sensor that captures stunning 50 megapixel photos and 4K 30 FPS video. The 3-way obstacle avoidance is a game changer for safer flights. I'm impressed by the 28-minute flight time and 6.2-mile range. That's some serious performance in a tiny package. The RYYB color filter is great for low-light shots too. It's not perfect though. The app could use some work and it's pricier than some competitors. Despite that, I'm confidently placing this in the great tier. It's a fantastic all-rounder for both beginners and pros. Number 17. Holy Stone HS 210. Alright, let's talk about this little guy. The HS 210 is definitely aimed at kids and absolute beginners. It's super lightweight and has some fun features like 3D flips and 1K takeoff/landing. I appreciate that it comes with 3 batteries for extended playtime, but let's be real. The flight time per battery is pretty short, and it's really only suitable for indoor use. The build quality feels a bit flimsy too. While it's a decent starter drone for kids, there are better options out there for the price. I'm putting this one in the average tier. It's not bad, but it's not particularly exciting either. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular best mini drones of 2024. Links to all of these mini drones will be in the description below. Whether you agree with me on these rankings or not, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.